Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Middleware AI Academy. Today we are diving into Apache Tomcat, one of the most popular open source web servers and servlet containers used in the Java world. If you are working with Java based web applications, Tomcat is a tool you'll definitely need to know. So let's get started. So today we are going to give you the topics roadmap. In this, we are going first is introduction to Tomcat, where you are going to know about what is Apache Tomcat, history and versions of Tomcat, difference between Tomcat and Apache HTTP server, where Tomcat is used in real world. Second, installation and setup, prerequisites where Java installation and Java home setup, downloading and installing Tomcat on Windows or Linux, setting up Catalina home, starting and stopping Tomcat, startup.sh, shutdown.sh, accessing Tomcat on browser, localhost 8080. Third, Tomcat architecture and components. Servlet and JSP basics, Catalina servlet container, Jasper JSP engine, Coyote HTTP connector, cluster, load balancing and session replication, overview of Tomcat request flow. In the fourth roadmap, Tomcat directory and files, bin, conf, logs, web apps, lib, temp, work. Important config files, server.xml, web.xml, tomcat users.xml, context.xml. Fifth topic will be Tomcat configuration, changing default port 8080 to custom, configuring memory, JVM options in setenvironment.sh, setting up environment variables, configuring Tomcat users and roles for manager, host manager apps, enabling access to Tomcat manager UI. Sixth will be application deployment, deploying WAR files in web apps, hot deployment versus cold deployment, deploying via Tomcat manager app, exploded directory deployment. Seventh, security in Tomcat, restricting manager, host manager access, configuring SSL, HTTPS in Tomcat, secure headers and best practices, Tomcat realms and authentication, file permissions and securing sensitive configs. Eighth topic will be Tomcat logs and monitoring. Here you will be understanding Catalina.out and other logs, enabling access logs, configuring log levels, logging.properties, monitoring Tomcat with JConsole and Visual VM. Ninth topic will be performance tuning. Here we will learn JVM tuning, heap GC settings, thread pool configuration in server.xml, connection pool tuning, JDBC data source, caching and sessions management, best practices for production optimization. 10th topic will be advanced features. Here we will be learning virtual hosts in Tomcat, reverse proxy setup, clustering and load balancing, session replication setup, high availability deployments. 11th topic will be troubleshooting, common errors, reading stack tracks in logs, debugging deployment failures, enabling debug mode in Tomcat. 12th topic will be Tomcat in enterprise. Here we will learn integration with Jenkins for CI or CD deployment, running Tomcat as a system service, Tomcat in Docker and Kubernetes, upgrading Tomcat safely in production. 13th topic will be Apache Tomcat interview prep. Here we will learn about most asked Tomcat interview questions, differences between Tomcat, WebLogic, JBoss, WebSphere, real-world scenarios and troubleshooting case studies. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will find this roadmap useful. In the next video, we will come with the whole work. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.